Hello, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Today I am in Thailand and I'm going to show you guys how I wash my laundry because I do not have a washing machine inside of my hotel room. So we're going to go to the laundry and wash our laundry there. It's the most cheapest way to wash your laundry if you do not have a washing machine inside of your hotel room. So there are three main options on how to wash your laundry. If you have a hotel room and you have a washing machine inside of your hotel room, of course you could do that too. Just wash your own laundry. It's the cheapest and easiest way. If you do not have a washing machine, you can go to a laundry and wash your laundry there, just like me, which is a cheap way and an easier way actually. The third way is you can go to a receptionist and ask her or him to wash your laundry. You need to pay accordingly to your kilograms actually. Like per kilogram you pay a lot more, and the receptionist bring your laundry to another place where another woman can actually wash your laundry. I'm gonna show you guys where the receptionist bring your laundry to, and afterwards we're just gonna leave to go to the laundry where I'm gonna wash my clothes because I do not have a washing machine inside of my hotel room. Let's go. We're gonna go with the motorcycle. So you guys, I'm now going to show you where the receptionists bring your laundry to and how they wash everything and how much it costs per kilogram. The weather was pretty nice also, but I'm going to let you guys enjoy. Here you pay per kilogram, as I told you guys. 60 kilograms is 500 baht, and then you have. So the receptionists come to places like this and they give your laundry to those women and they wash your laundry just like this. Yes, so we're now leaving because we're not going to wash our clothes here. We're going to wash our clothes at the laundry. So, because it's like very cheap, and I'm going to show you guys the best one in Pattaya. Alright, so we're now going with the motor because that's the easiest way to actually use transportation. There is our hotel, the Icon Place Pattaya. We're probably going to go to Pratamnak. The weather is pretty hot outside, so there are new laundries that we want to check out. They also have like a lot of laundries here, but those are old and we want to go to the new places to show you guys which ones are the best. We are only doing this because we don't have a washing machine inside our hotel, so that's a pity. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how to fix everything, how to wash your laundry, if you have any dirty laundry. Alright you guys, we arrived at our laundry. We have to take off our shoes because it's a hygienic place. So I'm just going to leave my shoes here. This is everything that we have, plus this, so it's pretty much a lot. Let me show you guys everything you can buy here. So if you would prefer to buy your own detergents, you can do that too, you guys. This one is normally 10 baht, but they don't have it anymore, it's not available. This one's also 10 baht, it's also the same price. But we brought our own laundry. I don't know where my laundry is right now, but it's probably in our bags. So, but we first need our coins. It's like jetons, but here I am now exchanging my money for coins. These are our coins that we are going to be using. So this is 10 baht, and we were exchanging this. If you guys want to know why we have to use coins, because it's the only way to possibly use to operate with your washing machine. So we have different sizes. This one is 9 kilograms, 40 kilograms, and here we have 18 kilograms. But we're gonna use 27 kilograms in here. So here you can choose what kilograms you want to choose. For example, if you use, if the capacity of your washing machine is 9 kilograms and you use 40 baht cold water, is 40 baht, you can pay less. But we're gonna use 27 kilograms in medium warm water, which is 110 baht. You can also use hot water, but we're not gonna use that because maybe our clothes will shrink and yeah, then we have to buy new clothes. Which also have cold water and you can choose accordingly to that. Here I'm putting my clothes in the washing machine and I'm gonna wash them, of course. I'm also gonna show you guys the laundry detergent that I'm gonna use. Also this.
No, 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 no.
So here my well-known friend was helping me with the laundry detergent because I just wanted to show you guys what the right way is and not mess it up like I sometimes can do. So I just wanted to be sure. Here I'm paying 110 baht because we use 27 kilograms and warm water. Here I'm doing my own clothes. So these are my clothes. I'm gonna put them in 9 kilograms because this is not much and I don't want to pay too much. So as I told you guys, I am using my own detergent. This is concentrate liquid detergent.
Huh?
Do you know in which one I put it, sir? So the detergents in Thailand, the packaging is mostly made of bags, but in the USA and in Europe you always see that they use bottles, but in here we don't have that much of bottles. But it is still available in Thailand if you would prefer to use bottles. I think I'm gonna use cold because I don't really want my clothes to shrink. So we need 40 baht. This is the most cheapest option that you could choose. Are gonna put on. So while we're waiting, I also have a massage chair which costs 20 baht. You guys, normally in Turkey we pay 200 Turkish liras for a chair like this, which is approximately like 200 baht, and that's very expensive. But here we just paid 20 baht, which is much more cheaper. So we're gonna put in our coins as I sit. I think you can sit now? Yes, it's starting. This is 20 baht. That's so cheap, that's nothing. You guys, I really needed this because sometimes I'm very impatient when it comes to washing machines and everything, and now I have to wait here and it's very hot. So I'm gonna show you guys a life hack while you're waiting in a place like this. You guys, and if it's hot, you can just click on these. Now they're all turned off. And now they're all turned on. And what I'm talking about is these ventilators. They turn on as you click on these buttons. These things turn on because it can get very hot here. So it's a pretty handy thing. Alright, our laundry is now done with washing. So we're gonna take it out of the washing machine. You guys, look at how big the dryer is. Look at the insides. So big. I've never seen a big dryer before like how. Our clothes are gonna be nice and dry now. And now we just have to wait. This lady was cleaning all the time, so I wanted to give her a tip. So now our clothes were all dry after waiting for 1 hour. It took so long, but now we are finally here. So now it's time for us to fold our clothes and put them inside of our bags and then go home. It was pretty fun, but also very tiring folding up the clothes all the time, but we were almost done, and yeah, it was going pretty fast actually if you enjoy it.
Sun hitting my shades, riding low and slow, this vibe never fades, palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight.
And now we're done with washing our clothes, you guys. We're now leaving. It was a nice experience showing you guys how to wash your laundry and how to help you guys with laundry. Alright you guys, we're done washing our clothes in Pattaya. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.